Hello educators, welcome back to this channel. Did you know that creating a syllabus doesn't have to be time consuming? In this video, I will show you how to use the syllabus generator on AiTeacha to generate a well-structured syllabus that helps organize teaching and learning throughout the academic term. Let's get started. First of all, you are going to put in your email address and your password, then you click on login. So here is a school dashboard. Once you are done with that, you come here, you click on the AI tools, then you scroll down. Here is our syllabus generator. You click on it, then you fill in the necessary details. So let's say we want to generate syllabus on biology. You put in the grade, let's say grade 10. You put in your country curriculum, Nigeria, and you can put in your own country curriculum. Then you select your curriculum type. So I'm picking Nigeria curriculum. Then you put in the duration, that is, you can generate your syllabus. You can generate weekly syllabus and also you can generate termly syllabus. So I'm going to use the termly syllabus. You click in the termly, then you put in the assessment type. How are you going to assess the students after you are done with the syllabus? So let's say you want to do class test and group presentation. You can also upload file on this platform so that the AI will generate a syllabus for you based on what you've uploaded. You click on submit. Wow, within few minutes, our syllabus is ready. Termly plan. So let me scroll down so that you can also take a look at it. So once you are done generating your syllabus, you can edit it with Zyra. You can also save it with history so that anytime you come back to the platform, you can have access to the syllabus you've generated. You can also download this as PDF or as Word by clicking on export. So let's save it to history. It has been saved successfully. Then you come here, scroll down a little bit, you click on administration, you scroll down again, then you click on history. Here is our syllabus. You click on the three dots, view it. Wow. Our syllabus is ready and it has been saved successfully. So don't forget to sign up on AiTeacha platform and subscribe so that you can have access to this syllabus generator. See you in the next video. Thank you. I love you.